This video shows how to buy shares of First Republic Bank/CA and explains the practical steps. First Republic Bank is a U.S. private bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker FRCB. This is an educational walkthrough, not financial advice. To proceed, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will be asked to verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and you must add funds to place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker FRCB to locate First Republic Bank/CA. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary, sector information, and the price chart to understand the listing. Confirm the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker FRCB to verify it is the right asset. Tap the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you wish to invest, and review the order details before confirming the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when the market opens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in the portfolio or holdings section of the platform once the order is processed. For the example link to eToro and further details, check the description below.